Should we start? Sure. What about this example? Have you tried or done? Have you tried this? Have you solved this? Yes or no, or I'll solve. Let me know. Should we solve them? Sure, we'll solve it. Yes, okay. It is asked to find the Fourier series. So we'll write the Fourier series. The required Fourier series is f of x is equal to, as to write the Fourier series, first of all we'll check the interval, and the interval is given 0 to 2 pi. But if it is not given here 0 to 2 pi, we'll check for the function where the function is defined. So function first interval is 0 to pi, it breaks at pi and again pi to 2 pi. So the total interval is from 0 to 2 pi except a discontinuity. Discontinuities can be there for the function. So the whole interval is 0 to 2 pi, right? So in 0 to 2 pi we have to define the Fourier series. So what is the Fourier series in 0 to 2 pi? We have to write everything, that is a naught, an and bn. So it is a naught plus summation an cos nx plus bn sin nx. N is 1 to infinity. This is equation number 1, where we have to define a naught, an and bn. What is a naught? Define a naught. Yes, into yes, very good. This is the definition of a naught. Then an 1 upon pi 0 to 2 pi f of x cos nx dx. Very good. And bn is 1 upon yes 0 to 2 pi f of into sin nx dx, right? You have to find out these three. You have to substitute here and that will be the answer. So we'll go for a naught. So a naught is, for that let me write here function again. F of x is x and 2 pi minus x, x in 0 to pi and 2 pi minus x in pi to 2 pi. Correct? X and 2 pi minus x. Yes, this is the function. Okay. So a naught is 1 upon 2 pi integration from 0 to 2 pi of f of x. Function integration over 0 to 2 pi. But our function is defined over in 0 to 2 pi. It breaks as 0 to pi and pi to 2 pi. So 0 to 2 pi interval here breaks into 2. So integration also breaks into 2. 0 to pi and pi to 2 pi. As function breaks, integration also break on that interval. So into f of x. So in 0 to pi, what will write f of x? Very good. In 0 to pi, the value of f of x is x. X dx. Next is pi to 2 pi. Pi to 2 pi, the value of f of x is 2 pi minus x into dx. Right. So it is a naught is 1 upon 2 pi integration x square by 2 from 0 to pi plus integration of this 2 pi constant as it is 2 pi x minus, very good, from pi to 2 pi. Now we'll put upper lower limit. So a naught is 1 upon 2 pi upper limit pi square by 2 minus x jagah 0 plus 2 pi into upper limit is 2 pi. 2 pi into 2 pi 4 pi square minus 2 pi square, that is 4 pi square by 2, upper limit done, minus lower limit x is pi. So it is 2 pi square minus pi square by 2. Right. So it is 1 upon 2 pi pi square by 2 4 pi square minus 2 pi square, that is 2 pi square, minus 2 minus 1 by 2. How much it is? Let it be. Chalo, we'll open it. Minus 2 pi square minus minus plus pi square by 2. As it is, let it be. Let it be, let it be. 4 pi square minus 2 pi square, 2 pi square minus 2 pi square minus minus plus pi square by 2. Just open. These two cancel. Okay, that will be okay, right? So 1 upon 2 pi, pi square by 2 plus pi square by 2 pi square by 2, that is pi square. 1 pi also get cancelled. So A naught is pi by 2. This is your A naught. Getting? Good. Chalo, we'll go to AN next. AN is, A naught is done. Now AN. AN is 1 upon pi 0 to f of x into cos nx dx. Very good. So AN 1 upon pi, integration is 0 to 2 pi, but it again breaks at 0 to pi and pi to 2 pi. So we have to break 0 to pi and pi to 2 pi. In 0 to pi, function is x. So x into cos nx dx. And in pi to 2 pi, it is 2 pi minus x. Yes, into cos nx dx. Right. So these two integrations we have to solve. I write 1 upon pi as it is. How will you solve this integration? Very good. Leibniz rule. As you have find out that u, what is u? X, whose derivative will be 0. So this is u and this should be v. What about this? What about this? Leibniz? Yes, 2 pi minus x will be u and this will be v. Right? We'll solve them separately. Chalo, for this first we'll write Leibniz rule. U, yes, u into integration of v plus or minus. Is it okay? Sign only? Plus sign? Yes. Then minus, don't get confused. Minus derivative of this 1, integration of this, yes, upon n into n square. Next plus derivative of this 0, so it finished. And this is from 0 to pi. Next plus, for this we have to apply u as it is into integration of v sin nx upon n minus sign derivative of this. Derivative of 2 pi is 0 as 2 pi is constant and derivative of minus x is minus 1 into integration minus cos nx. हां, आणि वन मोर थिंग, जस्ट म्हणजे घाई गडबड करू नका की हा ब्रॅकेट लगेचच ओपन करतोय, मला 3 निगेटिव्ह दिसत आहेत, निगेटिव्ह लिहितोय. जाऊ द्या. अल्टरनेट प्लस मायनसचे मायनस आणि इंटिग्रेशन डेरिव्हेटिव्हचे जे काही मायनस असतील ते सांभाळत चला किंवा मग साईनची गडबड होईल. चलो, पाय टू 2 पाय. ठीक आहे. सगळे साइन्स व्यवस्थित सांभाळत बघा मी. पहिला प्लस, मग अल्टरनेट प्लस मायनसचा मायनस, मग वॉट एव्हर डेरिव्हेटिव्हचा मायनस तो तसाच ठेवलाय, वॉट एव्हर इंटिग्रेशनचा मायनस तो पण ठेवलाय. नेक्स्ट स्टेपला त्याला कलेक्ट करा. देअरफॉर an इज 1 अपॉन पाय. अप्पर लिमिट पाय ठेवायचं. काय होईल ही टर्म पाय ठेवल्यावर? साइन n पाय. व्हेरी गुड. साइन n पाय 0. नेक्स्ट इज मायनस मायनस प्लस कॉस n पाय. राहू देत. कॉस n पाय काहीतरी असते, आठवत नाहीये, सध्या लिहून टाकूयात. कॉस n पाय अपॉन n स्क्वेअर. ठीक आहे. अप्पर लिमिट मायनस लोअर लिमिट 0 ठेवा. 0 into anything 0 and it is plus cos 0 is 1 upon n square. पहिला पार्ट फिनिश्ड. प्लस सेकंड पार्ट. अप्पर लिमिट ठेवताय 2 पाय. काय होईल इथे 2 पाय ठेवल्यावर 2 पाय मायनस 2 पाय 0. देन इथे 2 पाय ठेवा. काय होईल? हां, पहिलं तर हे मायनस 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 मायनस. बरोबर. cos 2n पाय. काय असतं cos 2n पाय? इवन cos इवन पाय 1. व्हेरी गुड. 1 अपॉन n स्क्वेअर विथ मायनस साइन. पहिला पार्ट झाला. लोअर लिमिटचं निगेटिव्ह साइन मायनस. आता पाय ठेवा सगळीकडे. साइन n पाय 0. व्हेरी गुड. मायनस 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 cos n पाय अपॉन n स्क्वेअर. करेक्ट? Sure. So an is 1 upon pi cos n pi upon n square minus 1 upon n square minus 1 upon n square plus cos n pi upon n square. Right? So it is an is therefore adds, so 1 upon pi 2 cos n pi by n square. This also adds minus 2 upon n square. Good. So therefore an is cos n pi. Do you know the here if we see 2 by n square is common, we can take out 2 by n square pi. Pi is there. What remained? Cos n pi minus 1. So an is 2 by n square pi into, what is cos n pi? Yes, very good. Cos n pi is minus 1 raised to n. Depends on even odd. So it is minus 1 raised to n minus 1. Done. This is an. Next we'll go to bn. Any doubt in this? हाँ, बोला. Okay. Any doubt till then you can ask. If you are noting down, do it fast or you'll get notes later. Don't worry. Done? Okay. Chalo, we'll go to bn. bn is 1 upon pi 0 to 2 pi f of x sin nx dx. Yes. So bn is 1 upon pi integration breaks 0 to pi and pi to 2 pi. Right? In 0 to pi function is x into sin nx dx, and in pi to 2 pi it is 2 pi minus x into sin nx dx. Yes. Again Leibniz. Right? So this is u, this is v, this is u, and this is v. Chalo, we'll apply. You will tell me, I'll write. Therefore, bn is 1 upon pi yes u into integration of sin minus cos nx upon n minus minus derivative of x is 1 and integration of this minus sign as it is. Yes, minus sin nx upon n square. Finished. 0 to pi plus second 2 pi minus x into same function, so minus cos nx upon n minus derivative of this minus 1 into minus sin nx upon n square. This is from pi to 2 pi. Good. Therefore, Bn is equal to, now your job is to put upper lower limits. Here upper is pi. So what it will be? चलो cos n pi नहीं आठवत असाच ठेवूयात minus pi cos n pi upon n. Okay. Sin n pi 0 plus 0. Okay. This is upper limit minus lower limit. Now it is 0. 0 into anything? 0. Sin 0? 0. Done? This is first part. Plus next. Now we'll go for this. First we'll put 2 pi in whole thing, then minus sign and then pi. Chalo. If we put 2 pi minus 2 pi, 0. If we put 2 pi here, sin 2n pi, minus 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 minus, sin 2n pi is 0, sin any pi is 0, minus, lower limit, now pi. 2 pi minus pi, cos n pi राहणार, बरोबर? So minus pi cos n pi upon n. करेक्ट आहे का बघा? 2 pi minus pi, इथे एक निगेटिव्ह साइन, minus pi cos n pi upon n. Next, if we put sin n pi here, 0. Good. Chalo. Therefore, Bn is 1 upon pi minus pi cos n pi by n, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, minus minus, plus pi cos n pi by n. These two also get cancelled, so it is 0. Bn is 0. So all the three values are with us now, a0, an and bn. So we'll substitute in this equation number 1. Therefore, equation 1 becomes, the required Fourier series is f of x is, okay, I cannot write now f of x value directly as it breaks. जर x square x cube असता तर आपण इथे लिहून टाकतो x square is equal to, जर ब्रेक झालेला असेल तर f of x असाच राहू देत. So f of x is a0. a0 is pi by 2 plus summation an काय, an check करा, इथे 2 by n square pi, 2 by n square pi into minus 1, correct है का, check करा, minus 1 raised to n minus 1, yes, into summation is from 1 to infinity into cos nx plus bn, but bn is 0, so 0 into anything is 0. So this is the required Fourier series. Done? करते? चलो, any doubt you can ask. चलो, next question is here. Find the Fourier series expansion of, find the Fourier series expansion for f of x is equal to pi minus x by 2 bracket square in 0 to 2 pi and f of x plus 2 pi is equal to f of x. It means, what does this mean? What is this condition? Periodic condition. F of x plus a is f of x, that a is period, so here period is 2 pi. Interval is 0 to 2 pi and this is the function. And hence deduce that. Also deduce that first pi square by 6 is equal to 1 by 1 square, 1 by 2 square, 1 by 3 square, plus so on. Second, pi square by 12 is 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square minus 1 by 4 square, plus so on. And third, pi square by 8 is 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square, plus so on. Very important example, continuously asked with deduction. So we'll try to solve it. Chalo, till you will write the Fourier series. Chalo, write down the Fourier series. Definition. Okay. Chalo, we'll write. First thing is we'll check the interval. Interval is 0 to 2 pi. So in 0 to 2 pi we need not to check even odd. Where we check even odd? Yes, on the interval minus pi to pi. If it is 0 to 2 pi, we are not going to check the function. So we have to find everything. So we'll write the Fourier series is f of x is a naught plus summation an cos nx plus bn sin nx, equation number 1, n is 1 to infinity, where a naught is 1 upon 2 pi 0 to 2 pi f of x dx. An is 1 upon pi 0 to 2 pi f of x cos nx dx. Bn is 1 upon pi 0 to 2 pi f of x sin nx dx. Okay, we'll write the story. Right? Now we'll try to solve. So a naught is 1 upon 2 pi इंटिग्रेशन 0 to 2 pi, पण हे काही ब्रेक झालेलं नाही आहे, होल इंटरवल इज ॲज इट इज, सो 0 to 2 pi ॲज इट इज, and f of x is pi minus x by 2 bracket square dx. Now we have to solve this integration. Let me write it again. 1 upon 2 pi integration 0 to 2 pi pi minus x by 2 bracket square dx. Correct है ना? Okay. So a naught is 1 upon 2 pi. Take the integration. What is the integration? Chal, we'll first thing is आणि नाही सॉल्व केलं तर लिहिता येईल का? पाय मायनस एक्स ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर ॲज इट इज ठेवूयात, 2 स्क्वेअर 4 dx. 4 बाहेर काढा, 1 upon 8 pi integration 0 to 2 pi pi minus x square dx. What will be the integration? This is integration of something raised to n. What is integration of something raised to n? Something raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 and into, in the denominator, derivative of something. Correct? Right. So this is integration of something raised to n. So something raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 and in denominator derivative of that something. So can you just tell me? I'll write 1 upon 8 pi as it is. Integration of this. Yes, into derivative of something. This is your something minus 1. Are you getting, everyone? Integration of something raised to 1, something raised to. This is not just for x, restricted to x, okay? We can take anything in that place of x. Okay, then we were here. So this is the integration. Everyone got it? Okay. So therefore we'll put the upper lower limits. That is, first it is 2 pi 1 upon 8 pi as it is. That minus 3 also we can take out, minus 3. So it is 2 pi minus 2 pi cube minus, then lower limit, pi minus 0 cube. That is minus 24 pi into pi minus 2 pi, that is minus pi cube, minus pi cube. Correct? Minus pi cube, minus pi cube, minus pi cube. Yes, so it is minus 2 pi cube upon minus 24 pi. Minus minus will get cancelled. 12. Yes, and here it will be pi square. So it is pi square by 12. Correct? Okay. So can we go to an? An is 1 upon pi 0 to 2 pi f of x pi minus x by 2 square into cos nx dx. Right. So that 2 square will take it out. This will write next as 1 upon pi, that 2 square is 4, will take it out, integration 0 to 2 pi pi minus x square into cos nx dx upon 2 square, that is 4, and 4 is out. Next, how to solve? Applied, Leibniz is applied here. Yes. So derivative, next derivative is 2 into pi minus x, next will be minus 1 and next will be 0. So this will be u and this will be v. Chalo, then we will apply u into integration of v, integration of cos sin nx upon n minus derivative of this 2, no, it is something raised to n, derivative of something raised to n is n into something raised to n minus 1 into derivative of something. No, correct है का? Derivative of this is something raised to n is n into that something as it is raised to n minus 1 into derivative of something, right? So 2 into pi minus x raised to 2 minus 1, that is 1, into derivative of that something, that is minus 1. Correct है का? चेक करा, डेरिवेटिव करेक्ट आहे. हां, 2 द मायनस प्लस मायनस अल्टरनेट साइन, त्याच्यानंतर याचा डेरिवेटिव्ह 2 इंटू पाय मायनस एक्स इंटू डेरिवेटिव्ह ऑफ दिस, दॅट इज मायनस 1. हा डेरिवेटिव्ह पूर्ण झाला. ठीक आहे. नेक्स्ट इंटू इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ दिस, इंटिग्रेशन इज मायनस कॉस एन एक्स अपॉन एन स्क्वेअर, देन प्लस मायनस देन प्लस. नाही ना बाबा, सुरू आहे का? आवाज येतोय? ओके ओके, then it is plus minus plus. Next derivative of this, what is derivative? Now this is plus minus alternate. Wait, screen stop झाली. बंद करावं लागते वाटते. एंड करूयात एकदा. हँग झाले, ते कॉल आला होता ना त्यामुळे हँग झाले. एकदा बंद करूयात आणि सुरू करूयात पुन्हा. बर मम्मा, बर मम्मा, बर मम्मा, बर मम्मा. नाही ना बाबा, होईल ना आता. तू बडबड कशाला करतेस इथे? जा 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 पळ बाहेर जा. Okay. Chal, so we'll start. We have written u into v minus this derivative into this integration, then plus, now the whole is the derivative except this negative sign, so we have to think for that negative sign also. Next, derivative of this. What is derivative of this? Just exclude that negative sign. Do not consider this negative sign, as this is for plus minus. Then this whole term, its derivative we have to write. So what is the derivative? 2 as it is. Derivative of pi is 0. Derivative of minus x is minus 1 into that minus 1 as it is. Correct? Next, derivative of this term, that minus 2, or we can say 2 into minus 1 as it is, and derivative of this is minus 1 into integration of this minus sign as it is, sin nx upon n into n square n cube, and here it completes. Next derivative will be 0. So from 0 to 2 pi. Any doubt? Please ask. Okay. So we'll put upper lower limits. So first is 1 upon 4 pi. Upper limit is 2 pi. What will be this term? If we put 2 pi, 0 sin 2n pi. Very good, 0. What about this? If we put 2 pi, cos 2n pi, that is 1. Right? Cos even pi, 1. But here we have to think about so many signs. So first of all, minus, minus and minus. 3 minus, minus. Now we try to substitute 2 pi. Pi minus 2 pi, minus pi by n square. Right? Cos 2n pi is 1. We already have written. This is upper limit. Minus lower limit. Now we have one more term is there. Here is one term. So we have to again think for 2 pi here. What will be sin? If we put 2 pi here, sin 2n pi, 0. So this is 0. So upper limit minus lower limit. Next we have to put x is 0. So if we put x is 0, sine 0, 0, 0 into anything 0. So if we put x is 0 here, cos 0 will be 1, right? So this term will be there, this will be 0. So what will remain here, we have to think about sine again. Have you think for sines? So minus, minus and minus, minus sign, minus 2 pi, this is 0 upon n square. Am I right? 1, 2, 3 negative. Good. And then here it is, if we put 0, sine 0 is 0. So an is 1 upon 4 pi into pi by n square plus minus minus plus 2 pi by n square. That is, what is the value? Is it pi or 2 pi? Is it pi or 2 pi? I have some doubt. It is 2 na? 2 है ना इधर? Pi minus 2 pi minus pi, but there is 2 as it is. Yes, it is 2 pi. Correct है क्या? 2 pi correct है ना? Pi minus 2 pi टाकता है, minus pi 2 आहे already. Yes. So here it is 2 pi. Yes. So it is 1 upon 4 pi, 2 pi by n square plus 2 pi by n square, 4 pi by n square. 4 pi cancel. So an is 1 upon n square. Yes? बोला बोला बरोबर आहे का? हे सांगायचं आहे का पुन्हा? 2 कसा आला? नाही ना, इथे 2 लिहायचा राहिलेला आपला. पाय मायनस 2 पायचा मायनस पाय आणि 2 बाहेरचा ॲज इट इज तो लिहायचा राहिला. चलो an डन. विल गो टू bn. bn is 1 upon pi 0 to 2 pi f of x pi minus x by 2 square into sin nx dx. That 2 square 4 will take out, so 1 upon 4 pi 1 upon 4 pi integration 0 to 2 pi pi minus x square into sin nx dx. Leibniz, this is u, this is v. Therefore, bn is 1 upon 4 pi into u pi minus x square into integration of v, integration of sin minus cos nx upon n, then minus derivative of this 2 into pi minus x into derivative of this, that is minus 1, into integration of this minus sin nx upon n square, minus n as it is. Then next plus derivative of this 2 into derivative of pi 0, derivative minus x minus 1 into minus 1 as it is. Integration of this, integration of sin minus cos, minus minus plus cos nx upon n cube. From next will be 0, so we will stop to 0 to 2 pi. Therefore, bn is upper limit is 2 pi. Yes. Yes, bn is 1 by 4 pi. If we put 2 pi here, what will be this value? Cos 2n pi 1, right? So it is minus 1 by n fixed here, and then it is pi minus 2 pi, that is minus pi square. Minus pi square is pi square. Correct? cos 2n pi is 1 minus 1 by n, pi minus 2 pi, minus pi square is again plus pi square. So minus pi square by n, first term. Second, if it is sin 2n pi, sin 2n pi is 0. So 0 into anything is 0. Next here it is cos 2n pi, 1, right? Minus minus plus 2 upon n cube into 1, upper limit done, minus lower limit 0, cos 0 is 1, 1 upon n, minus here it is 0, so it is pi square into minus cos 0 1 upon n, minus pi square upon n. Next, if it is 0 here, sin 0, 0 into anything 0. Then if it is 0 here, cos 0 is 1, minus minus plus 2 upon n cube, lower limit done. So we'll open it and we'll check 1 upon 4 pi into minus pi square by n plus 2 by n cube plus pi square by n minus 2 by n cube. Cancelled, everything cancelled, so Bn is 0. Correct? So after solving all this we get Bn is 0. Therefore equation 1 becomes f of x is equal to, so pi minus x by 2 square is equal to a naught pi square by 12 plus summation a n, where is a n? A n is 1 by 1, yes, 1 upon n square into cos, yes, into cos nx, n is 1 to infinity, plus Bn, but Bn is 0. So this is the required Fourier series. But it is not just Fourier series, it is Fourier series, yes it is Fourier series, but there are deductions also, so we have to solve them. So if you want to solve the deductions, you have to open the series. Okay, we'll open it. So pi minus x by 2 square is pi square by 12 plus n is 1. Put n is 1 here and write the term cos 1x upon 1 square plus next n is 2 cos 2x upon 2 square plus cos 3x upon 3 square plus so on. I'll write one more, cos 4x upon 4 square plus so on. Right. So if you want to find out this first deduction, here is the deduction. In your deduction, you can see 1 by 1 square. Can you see it here? Yes, it is 1 by 1 square. Then plus 1 by 2 square, it is plus, so plus 1 by 2 square, plus 1 by 3 square, plus 1 by 4 square. So it is there. So these terms must be 1, so that it will remain, right? So for which x this term will be 1? Cos which value is 1? बोला 0 नी काम होईल का आपलं बघा बरं. व्हेरी गुड. 0 cos 0 1, हे पण 0, हे पण 0, cos 0 cos 0 cos 0, so cos 0 is 1. सो साइनचा काहीच प्रॉब्लेम होत नाही आहे, साइन ॲज इट इज राहत आहेत आणि आपल्याला पण डिडक्शनमध्ये साइनचे ॲज इट इज हवेत, राईट. सो वी फर्स्ट पुट x is 0 in this star. So put x is 0 in star. We get, put x is 0 here, so it is pi by 2 bracket square, that is pi square by 4. हा पाय स्क्वेअर बाय 12 इकडे आणून टाका, मायनस पाय स्क्वेअर बाय 12 इज इक्वल टू एक्सला 0 ठेवा, कॉस 0 1 अपॉन 1 स्क्वेअर, कॉस 2 इंटू 0 कॉस 0 1 अपॉन 2 स्क्वेअर 1 अपॉन 3 स्क्वेअर प्लस 1 अपॉन 4 स्क्वेअर प्लस सो ऑन. ट्राय टू सिम्प्लिफाय दिस. बेस सेम करूया त्याचा, 12 करूयात, 3 नी मल्टिप्लाय डिवाइड करूया. सो 3 पाय स्क्वेअर बाय 12 मायनस पाय स्क्वेअर बाय 12. करेक्ट आहे का? 3 12 होणार, बेस सेम. सो 1 अपॉन 1 स्क्वेअर, दिस इज ॲज इट इज. That is 3 pi square minus pi square, 2 pi square by 12, that is pi square by 6 is equal to 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 2 square, 3 square plus so on. Hello, this is your first deduction. Just check. Pi square by 6 is this. Correct? Solving by putting x is 0, we will get it. Secondly, second deduction is this, where there are alternate plus minus signs. Right. So we are here and we need alternate plus minus signs. Yesterday we have seen for which x in terms of cos gives you alternate plus minus. What is x? Yes, cos odd pi's and cos even pi's, right? So secondly, this is your first deduction. Second, put x is pi. ठेवू का नको? ठेव ना? ठेव नको म्हणता मग? चल, put x is pi in star. So if x is pi, so it is pi minus pi, 0, right? आणि हा इकडे जाईल, that is minus pi square by 12 is equal to, now put x is pi here, that is cos pi upon 1 square plus cos 2 pi upon 2 square plus cos 3 pi upon 3 square plus cos 4 pi upon 4 square plus so on. That is equal to minus pi square by 12 is equal to cos pi minus 1 upon 1 square, cos 2 pi plus 1 upon 2 square, cos 3 pi minus 1 upon 3 square plus 1 upon 4 square minus plus so on. पण आपल्याकडे निगेटिव्ह साइन ह्या पहिल्या टर्मला जे आहे डिडक्शनच्या, हिअर इट इज 1 by 1 स्क्वेअर आहे, पहिल्याला पॉझिटिव्ह आहे, म्हणजे काय करूयात आपण, मायनस पाय स्क्वेअर बाय 12, मायनस साइन बाहेर काढायत ना, मायनस 1 by 1 स्क्वेअर मायनस 1 by 2 स्क्वेअर प्लस 1 by 3 स्क्वेअर मायनस 1 by 4 स्क्वेअर प्लस सो ऑन. Right? So on both sides negative sign get cancelled and then it is equal to pi square by 12 is 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square minus 1 by 4 square plus so on as required. Second. Okay, 1, 2 done. Third. Third is for you. You have to think how will you get this third deduction, or I will give you 2 minutes, just think and tell me how to find third, or if you can't now I'll let it for you. Chalo, how to find this third? If we'll see, there is 1 by 1 3 5, not 2 4, but if we'll see our answer, there is 1 2 3 4, all terms are there. So is there such x so that 2 square 4 square, these terms will get cancelled directly. Or is there any way out, that is these two are with us, so using these two we can solve next. Hint: as these two are with us right now, you can use them and you can solve for next deduction. This 1 by 1 square, 1 by 3 square, 1 by 5 square, 1 by 1 square, 1 by 1 square, 1 by 2 square, minus 1 by 2 square, 1 by 3 square, 1 by 3 square, 1 by 4 square. yes सॉरी चालते. बघा बरं ॲडिशन केली तर काय होईल, हा प्लस हा मायनस निघून जाईल आणि तो आपल्याला नकोच आहे. बरोबर, हा प्लस हा मायनस निघून जाईल, हा पण नकोच आहे. बरोबर. सो व्हॉट वी डू हिअर इज, याला 1 काय म्हणूयात, रोमन. चल 1 आणि याला म्हणूया 2. सो ॲडिंग 1 and 2, adding 1 and 2, we get pi square by 6 plus pi square by 12 is equal to 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 1 square, 2 by 1 square, plus minus cancel, plus 2 by 3 square. Next term काय असेल, plus 2 by 5 square, plus so on. Make the denominator same. 6 into 2, 2, 2 pi square plus pi square, 3 pi square by 12 upon 2 घेऊ का इकडे. चलो पहिला इकडे काढूया. 2 into 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square plus so on. So 2 हा इकडे येईल पहिला, 3 4, 2 इकडे घ्या, pi square by 4 into 2 that is 8 is 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square plus so on. So is it the required? Yes, this is your third deduction, and here it completes, and such question can be for 6 marks. Clear? Okay, should I leave you with one homework? Write down this as homework fast. I'll just write the function. Understand this is the Fourier series. Find the Fourier series expansion for f of x is root 1 minus cos x in 0 to 2 pi. I am sticking only to 0 to 2 pi right now, and hence deduce that 1 upon 2 is summation 1 upon 4n square minus 1, n is 1 to infinity. Chalo, this is your homework. Find the Fourier series of this and hence deduce that. Note down so that I can conclude. Done? Deduce 1 by 2 is equal to, it is here, 1 by 2 is equal to summation 1 upon 4n square minus 1. It is here, you can see here, 4n square minus 1. It is in summation, open केलेलं नाही आहे, summation as it is आहे. n is 1 to infinity. Done? Should we close? Okay, thank you, bye, take care.